Montri okra Dr.Manik saha fashala Tripura Start-up Policy 2024 songsai avonaragina information technology tangbedik ni bakhakti pragna bhavan kaisa panda songsai rwkha avando nogre okra angwe phai manjak phai panda songsai rika Montri okra Dr.Manik saha avana karibu phai manjak phai ka information technology tangbedik ni montri Pranajit singha roi hastini okra sachib singha tangbedik ni sachib ni logi tangbedik ni okra naikol nai robo panda songsai roi montri okra shaklaika montri okra Narendra Modi shaklai maka haikeno Sikla hoda hakotor ni mongkusugo karinai Sikla hoda na tebu juvana ni bagwi Start-up Policy montri okra tebu shaklaika katala Start-up Policy baikeno hastini 1,25,000 Sikla hoda kaham shep mannai.
According to this program, around more than 1.25 lakh bank branches encourage youth and at least one Dalit or Adivasi or one women enterprise. What I have the data. Prime Minister said there is no growth in the country without innovation and new opportunities for the youth. I think this is very important, and what he said, our Honorable Prime Minister always says that we have the main human resource in our country, that is about 60 to 65% we have this youth human resource. So if they are developed, then the country of course will be developed. So according to this scheme, I think the companies will be given incentives also, already have mentioned, our previous speaker they have mentioned, so that they can generate more employment. I think this is a very important scheme, and in future from our government side, there are so many startup policies we have, so I need not repeat all these policies. And with this, I conclude my speech and wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Bureau Report, Okra.